If you've ever thought, I want better gut health, but I'm just too busy, this video is for you. I'm a certified gut wellness coach, and everything that I'm sharing here comes from years of research, my training, and experience with myself and clients. Gut wellness doesn't have to mean changing everything overnight or adding more to your to-do list. Today, I'm sharing simple, gentle habits that actually work with a busy life, and the key is starting with just one thing at a time. Now, I am a certified gut wellness coach, but remember, everyone is different, and what I'm talking about today may or may not fit with your unique situation. I always encourage everyone to do your own research and always check with your trusted medical professional before making any changes. So let's start with the most low effort, high impact meal that I know, the meat stock dinner. A meat stock meal is simply a piece of meat with a bone in it, cooked with your choice of vegetables and herbs or spices and filtered water, and then cooked slowly in the oven, on the stovetop, or in a crock pot. This kind of meal is incredibly forgiving. You don't need fancy skills, exact measurements, or a bunch of prep work. Just put it together, let it cook, and you've created something deeply nourishing that supports digestion without stress. It's so easy and could not be faster to put together. And it's unbelievably delicious. Swap out the kinds of meat, the vegetables, and the herbs for different ones for endless variety and to match the seasons. So if you are busy, this is a great place to start. One pot, one meal, minimal effort, and you can repeat it weekly. And if you would like to learn how to support your gut with the most important foods and habits, make sure to check out my Gut Wellness Getting Started guide. It's linked down in the description for you, and it's completely free. Gut support doesn't have to be dramatic, it can be tiny. And this next habit is adding one bite of sauerkraut daily. Adding just a small bite of sauerkraut every day introduces fermented foods gently. Or if you've not been consistent with them, it helps you include them consistently in a gentle way. And yes, it's completely okay to buy sauerkraut from the store if you don't feel up to making it yourself yet. So don't worry about extra work with fermenting your own right away. Just start with one forkful a day with a meal, and that's enough to start supporting your gut without overwhelming your gut or your schedule. So just start with what's accessible. One bite a day is more powerful than waiting for the perfect time. And make sure to keep watching, because not everything that I'm sharing here is food related. There are some really important non-food habits that make a huge difference, and you won't want to miss them. So make sure to head down into the comments and leave me a comment. Let me know what has been your biggest takeaway so far. Did anything surprise you? And what is your biggest struggle when it comes to supporting your gut? Another simple shift is adding more nourishing fats. This can be as simple as adding some extra butter or tallow to your meals, starting very small and increasing it slowly. Fats help meals feel more grounded and satisfying, and they really help to support digestion and energy. Healthy fats are so essential to many different body systems and organs. And this isn't about forcing anything. Just think of it as gently enhancing what you're already eating. And do go slowly, because the body needs time to adjust. Even a small amount added consistently can really make a difference over time in how you feel. And if you want help finding the best foods that support gut wellness from the inside out, make sure to check out my free nutrient-dense foods shopping guide. It's linked down in the description for you. And for this next habit, you don't always have to give up baked goods to be supporting your gut. Instead of non-fermented breads or baked goods, try swapping for sourdough or soaked options. And it doesn't have to take any extra time. There is starting to be lots of places where you can buy very high quality sourdough and fermented baked goods. I have one linked down in the description where you can order it and have it delivered to your house. So think of it this way, this is a swap, it's not a restriction. It's about choosing versions of things that are easier on your digestion without changing your lifestyle and your routines. One swap at a time is enough. In a lot of cases, there's no need to overhaul everything at once. And keep watching, because these next two habits can feel really good. You definitely don't want to miss them, because they are super enjoyable as well as gut supportive. Gut support isn't only about food. Having Epsom salt baths, or if those aren't a possibility, an Epsom salt foot soak, plus daily sunlight and time outside are simple ways to support the gut-nervous system connection, as well as supporting gentle detox in the body, which in turn makes it easier on your gut. These practices help the body feel safe and supportive, and digestion really depends on that. Even a short soak in Epsom salts or a few minutes outside can make a huge difference. They can really help to regulate stress and support gut function and really help the body as it works to detox and rebuild. Think of these as essential self-care, not extras, and fit them in where you can without pressure. If you're busy, the best thing you can do for your gut is to choose one new gentle habit to start. You don't need perfection or intensity, just consistency and patience with your body. Small steps done regularly truly add up. Make sure to check out my Gut Wellness Getting Started guide and my Nutrient Dense Foods shopping guide. Both of those are completely free and they're linked down in the description for you. Now that you know how to support your gut if you're too busy, you might be wondering, what is the easiest way to make one of the most beneficial probiotic foods at home? It all starts by watching this video next here, because when you pair what you learn in that video with what you just learned here, it's so much more powerful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.